possible to get 9 bands in IELTS speaking? Yes, it is 100% possible. We know there are 3 parts in IELTS speaking. First part has 2 bands, Q card carries 4 bands, and third part has 3 bands. Q card is considered to be the toughest part as a student has to speak continuously for 2 minutes on this. Student often finds scarcity in getting ideas, managing these, lack of vocabulary, poor accent and inaccurate pronunciation. I have prepared a sample for you to help you in this matter. See students, I advocate you to start speaking on the cue card directly instead of giving any vague introduction before that. Suppose you have a topic related to personality, as there are approximately 12 topics which are often related to the personalities. So I'm going to start with this. Just listen to this. My admiration is none other than my mother. My mother proves the quote that God cannot be present everywhere. Therefore, He has created mother to take care of His loved ones. She is humble, polite, and down-to-earth woman. She believes that if you want to gain respect in your life, be polite and humble, as politeness is a tool that not only makes you popular but also is an answer to all odds coming on your way. We can solve big problems, conflicts of our life only by being polite. Apart from this, she is an optimist person who has no space of negative thoughts in her life. Since my childhood, she nurtured me with positivity. She stood by me in all thicks and thins of my life and has become a source of inspiration for me. Whensoever I am in any trouble, dilemma or in tough situation, I keep my head in her lap and there is an end to all my worries, challenges and brain teasers. She motivates me by saying that there is no problem that does not have any solution. It's only your positive mindset and strong willpower that can open even rusted locked doors of opportunities. My mother is working as a principal and has set an excellent epitome of best administrator in the city. She is pre-punctual, disciplined and a woman of principles. On one side, she maintains rules and regulations in her school. On the other side, she is known as a woman with golden heart who remains present everywhere where there is a person in pain or trouble. She has maintained the highest record in academics, sports and other activities in the city. She is known for her perfectionism. She feels that it is only due to time management and goal setting, and she is implementing all those afterwards. So she is a source for information among her students, teachers and other staff members. People often come to seek her advice in the important matters of their life. Being pre-punctual, she educates everyone to value the time. As she claims, if you value the time, time will value you. Otherwise, you will be lost in the fast race of this world. My mother is my role model and I wish her to be always by my side, showing light to me in the tedious journey of my life. See students, in this cue card, I have used 4 major key vocab words and the rest were all sporting words for them. Similarly, if you prepare your cue card by setting a good vocabulary for you for all the cue cards, in that case, you will find it very easy to manage it. But it is very, very important to justify the words you are using in your cue card. So do not try to mess it with the hefty vocabulary words. Do not try to apply tedious or the difficult vocabulary. Be simple, be natural, and one thing very, very important. So do not try to adopt British or American accent. Let it be your Indian accent. Be natural and be impactful. So this topic will help you in many cue cards like your favorite person in your life, your role model, any person whom do you follow, or the person like whom you would like to be. You can memorize some adjectives, the meaning of which are clear to you, but be selective. Make the bullets before you start, and 1 minute is given to you. That is very useful, and try to utilize this in a proper way. This will help you to speak without any break and flawless.